Welcome to another episode of Caribbean Discoveries. And now we're in a village called, where's the village we're in now?
Anse La Raye.
We're in Anse La Raye. Did I pronounce it right?
Yeah, on point, on point.
And we're going to the Anse La Raye Waterfall. It's said to be, it's a beautiful waterfall. They said the pool there is so beautiful that you can't help but jump in. So we're going to prove them either right or we're going to prove them wrong.
It's my first time here. I've never been there, but I'm looking forward to it already.
So you see, even with tour guide.
And I'm a local, it's my first time here.
So you see Caribbean Discoveries showing even the locals where to go.
I'm not even convinced.
We even saw a tree that I never even saw. The fruit that's growing on that tree, I've never seen it before. Well, at least I don't think so. But on our way out, I will give you all a preview of that tree. So we're on the way now.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. Alright. So we're almost there, people. In fact, we're not going to place. We're almost there. I was told we need to cross the river. We have crossed the river already.
So folks, we are finally here. So folks, I I think, like I proved them wrong. Although the waterfall is nice, it does not make me want to jump in like initially said. It's nice, but I believe we're going to see better before we leave St. Lucia. The slight cloudiness in the water is said to be volcanic minerals that cause the water to look that cloudy. But a matter of fact, it's really clean. So if you're here, please take a dip in the mineral water. So we head into our next waterfall. Where are we heading now? We heading to our next? No, we're not heading to our next waterfall now. We are heading somewhere else in St. Lucia. But we'll show you as we go along. So until the next time, the next episode, Anse La Raye Waterfall. Later.